Question 7. Ethicist. The most advanced kind of moral motivation is based solely on abstract principles. This form of motivation is in contrast with calculated self-interest or the desire to adhere to societal norms and conventions. So, argument or facts, and here we just have a statement of facts. So we proceed to the question stem, and the question stem tells us the actions of which one of the following individuals exhibit the most advanced kind of moral motivation as described by the ethicist. So, okay, let's go back to the passage here. What was the most advanced kind of moral motivation? Well, the first sentence told us that it was based on abstract principles. So again, it's the type based solely on abstract principles. This is in contrast with calculated self-interest or the desire to adhere to societal norms and conventions. So you notice this is what we call an illustration question. Trying to find the person in the answer choices that most closely conforms to this idea of the most advanced kind of moral motivation that is based solely on abstract principles. So let's take a look at A. Bobby contributed money to a local charity during a charity drive at work because he worried that not doing so would make him look stingy. He was worried that not doing so would make him look stingy. And that is clearly out of self-interest. That is not based on some abstract principle, so A does not follow. B. Wes contributed money to a local charity during a charity drive at work because he believed that doing so would improve his employer's opinion of him. And again, you notice that is calculated self-interest. He hoped it would improve his employer's opinion of him. So clearly self-interest, not abstract principles, so B is out. C. Donna's employers engaged in an illegal but profitable practice that caused serious damage to the environment. Donna did not report this practice to authorities out of fear that her employers would retaliate against her. Out of fear that her employees would retaliate against her. Again, calculated self-interest. That is not an abstract principle, so C would be eliminated. D. Jadine's employers engaged in an illegal but profitable practice that caused damage to the environment. Jadine reported this practice to authorities out of a belief that protecting the environment is always more important than monetary profit. So you notice she did it because she believes that protecting the environment is always more important than monetary profit. And you notice that is clearly an abstract principle. So D would be the correct answer. But just making sure, checking E, Lay's employers engage in an illegal but profitable practice that caused serious damage to the environment. Lee reported this practice to authorities only because several colleagues had been pressuring her to do so, and you notice that is adherence to societal norms and conventions, but not based on some abstract principle, so E is eliminated.